Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We were discussing operators and in the previous tutorial we discussed arithmetic operators. Next, let's talk about comparison operators. These operators are also called as relational operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values or two operands, and based on the operation, this operator will return Boolean value, true or false. So the return result of comparison operator is true or false, Boolean value. Comparison operators are binary operators, needs two operators to perform the operation. So we can write the syntax like this: left operand, comparison operator, right operand. It will compare left operand and right operand, and based on the operator, it will return true or false. Alright. So next, let's talk about different types of comparison operators are available in Python. The first comparison operator is equal to. The symbol is double equals to symbol, okay, like this. And the syntax is left operand is equal to operator, right operand. If both operands are equal, then this operator returns true. The output of this operation is true. If not equal, then it will return false. Just for an example, if I write 5 is equal to 5 like this, it will return true. If I write 10 is equal to 5, it is false, so it will return false. You can take a equal to 10, b equal to 5, and you can compare like this. And both the operands can be values or variables or expression here. So next comparison operator is not equal to. Symbol is this. Syntax is left operand, the operator, right operand. If left operand is not equal to right operand, then we'll get the result as true. If the operands are not equal, then we'll get the result as true. If operands are equal, then we'll get the result as false. So for example, here if I have a is 10, b as 5, and if I write a is not equal to b, it is true, so we'll get result as true. If I write a equal to 5, b equal to 5, and if I write a is not equal to b, it is false. Here are the few examples. So the next comparison operator is less than operator. Symbol is this, and syntax is left operand less than right operand. If operand 1 or the left operand is less than the right operand, we'll get the result as true. If operands are equal or left operand is greater than right operand, then we'll get result as false. If I write 10 less than 5, it is false, right? 5 less than 10, true. If I write 5 less than 5, it is also false, right? 5 is not less than 5. 5 is actually equal to 5. So we'll get false. And here are few examples. Okay, so this is about less than operator. Next comparison operator is less than or equal to. Symbol is this, and syntax is left operand less than or equal to right operand. If left operand is less than right operand, or if left operand is equal to right operand, then we'll get true as result here. If left operand is greater than right operand, then we'll get result as false. Here we can see few examples. Here if I write 5 is less than or equal to 5, we'll get true. So the next comparison operator is greater than, and symbol is this, and syntax is left operand greater than right operand. If left operand is greater than right operand, then we'll get the result as true. If left operand is less than or equal to the right operand, then we'll get result as false. Just for an example, here we can see a equal to 10, b equal to 5, a is greater than b, true. If I have a equal to 10, b equal to 10, and if I check a is greater than b, false, because a is equal to b, not greater than b, right? So here we can see few examples. Okay, so the next comparison operator is greater than or equal to. Symbol is greater than or equal to, and syntax is left operand greater than or equal to right operand. If left operand is greater than right operand, or if left operand is equal to right operand, then we'll get result as true. Otherwise, if left operand is less than right operand, then we'll get result as false. Here we can see few examples. When a equal to 10 and b equal to 5 is greater than or equal to b, yes, true. So this is about greater than or equal to operator. And here is the quick summary. So we have 6 comparison operators here, or relational operators, and these are the symbol used for that operations, and this is the syntax. And here operands can be values, or it can be expressions, or you can take variables also. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.